Hello everyone, I am Dr. Subhadra Maharana, Assistant Professor of Political Science at Odisha State Open University. Today we are going to explore contemporary political theory, what it means, why it matters and how it connects to the world we live in today. Let's dive in. During this session, we will endeavor to comprehend the essence of political theory, its evolution over recent decades and the significance of contemporary political theory in the current global context. Additionally, we will examine its principal themes and their connection to actual political and social challenges. We are currently focused on how political theory functions as a means of critical inquiry and how it can be utilized to interpret and assess the world surrounding us. Political theory encompasses more than merely the examination of government or political frameworks. It represents a philosophical and normative investigation of political existence. It promotes us to contemplate deeply on concepts such as power, justice, liberty, equality, authority, and citizenship. In the next slide, we are talking about what is political theory really. However, the crucial point is this: it pertains not only to the occurrence within politics but also to what to transpire. This differentiation is vital. Political theory enables us to scrutinize not only political occurrence or institutions but also the values that either validate or contest them. Let us take a moment to consider the types of inquiries that political theory possesses. What constitutes a just society? Who ought to possess the authority to govern and on what grounds? Which rights are universal and how should they be safeguarded? How do we reconcile individual liberty with collective good? Now, under Bloom's Level 3 application, contemplate a recent political matter such as digital surveillance or climate justice. At level 4 analysis, we progress further. We start to deconstruct the frameworks of these concepts. What are the underlying assumptions of liberalism, feminism, or post-colonial theory? How do various theories conceptualize power in distinct ways? Where do traditional notions of justice clash with modern realities? Political theory equips you not only to comprehend political system but also to assess questions and reconstruct them based on logical arguments. Thus, in this course, you will not to be engaged in rote memorization of definitions, rather you will be acquiring the skills to apply theoretical frameworks to contemporary political issues, analyze and contrast ideologies and concepts, and most importantly, cultivate your own critical perspective. So what makes it contemporary? So the next slide we will discuss. Now turn our attention to what makes contemporary political theory distinct and relevant. Unlike classical political theory, which often focused on abstract, idealized states and universal truths, contemporary political theory turns its gaze toward the real, pressing issues of our time. It engages with topics such as gender and identity politics, exploring how political power is shaped by gender, sexuality, and cultural identity. The environment, examining the relationship between politics, ecological crisis, and concepts like sustainability and climate justice. In this slide, we will discuss what makes it contemporary. Let's now turn our attention to what makes contemporary political theory distinct and relevant. Unlike classical political theory, which often focused on abstract, idealized states and universal truths, contemporary political theory turns its gaze towards the real, pressing issues such as of our time. It engages with topics such as gender identity politics, exploring how political power is shaped by gender, sexuality, and cultural identity. The environment, examining the relationship between politics, ecological crisis, and concepts like sustainability and climate justice. Globalization, analyzing the political consequences of a rapidly interconnected world, including economic inequality, and migration. But what's truly transformative about contemporary political theory is inclusivity. It is no longer confined to Western philosophical traditions. It opens the floor of non-Western feminist and post-colonial perspectives, that viewpoints that were historically excluded from mainstream political discourse. For example, feminist political theory challenges a male-centric assumptions of earlier theorists. Post-colonial thinkers like Franz Fanon and Gayatri Spivak questions Eurocentric ideas of civilization, power, and progress. Dalit and indigenous political thinkers brings new insights into how caste, land, and traditions are political. Modern political theory reflects the current era. It's not just about interpreting what has been, but confronting what is. It provides a platform for previously marginalized voices, whether they be women, ethnic minorities, or communities from the global south. From a Bloom's Level 3 perspective, I encourage you to apply these frameworks to analyze current issues, whether it's the political framing to climate change or how identity plays a role to citizenship laws. Let's explore four defined. In this slide, we will talk about what makes it different. Let's examine four important characteristics that define contemporary political theory and make it especially valuable for understanding and engaging with the political world today. First, it is critical. This means it doesn't just accept the information or traditional ideas as given. Instead, it questions everything, interrogates all assumptions, and establishes truths. By being critical, it challenges power, injustice, and inequality rather than taking them for granted. Second one is it is connected. Political issues are complex and linked to many aspects of society. Contemporary political theory builds bridges with other disciplines such as sociology, economics, psychology, and even the arts. This connection helps us a full gain picture of political phenomena. Third, it is practical. This theory is not stuck in abstract academic debate. It goes beyond classroom concepts to apply directly to real world problems, whether that's social inequality, climate change, or governance. It equips you to use theory as a tool for action and understanding. Fourth, it is inclusive. Political theory today embraces diverse perspectives beyond the traditional European canon. It includes indigenous and global South voices, making the conversation richer and more representative of global realities. In summary, this type of political theory does not remain passively in textbooks. Instead, it actively asks though tough questions about why the world is the way it is and how it might be changed for the better. For you, as emerging scholars, this means developing a mindset that is analytical, interdisciplinary, actionable, and inclusive. It engages deeply with political challenges. As we move forward, keep these features in mind, reflect on how they shape in political ideas, debates we will study throughout this course. Next, what are we talking about? First, justice. At its core, political theory asks who receives what and for what reasons. Justice isn't just about fairness in the abstract, it's about the real distribution of resources, opportunities, and rights in the society. Who deserves what and why. Second, power and resistance. Political theory examines who holds the authority and who challenges it. Understanding power means looking not only to the governments or institutions but also at social movements, protests, and acts of resistance. Third one is identity. How do factors like gender, caste, race, and religion shape political experiences and access to power? Contemporary theory shows us that identity is not just personal, it's deeply political. Fourth one is democracy. What does democracy means today? Beyond just voting, it's about participation, representation, and protection rights in the increasingly complex world. And the fifth, environment. Political theory now engages seriously with the environment. It offers insights into climate justice, helping us think about responsibilities across notions, generations, and communities. When you consider the pressing issues of our time, climate change, social movements, protest against discrimination, modern political theory provides a vital framework to understand these complexities. It enables you to analyze why certain injustices persist, how identities shape politics, and what democracy and justice look like in 21st century. Old versus new. A quick comparison we will do in this segment to understand how political theory has evolved. Why important to look at the difference between classical and contemporary political theory. Let's begin with the classical political theory. It largely focused on ideal states. Think of Plato's Republic or Rousseau's social contract. The emphasis was on what a perfect political society should look like. Most of the voices in classical theory were Western, male, and elite, and reflected the philosophical traditions of Europe. Its method was deeply philosophical and normative, asking what ought to be, often with little reference to practical implementation. Now compare this with contemporary political theory. The focus has shifted towards real world issues like inequality, environmental crisis, identity politics, and global justice. It draws from global and diverse perspectives, including feminist, post-colonial, indigenous, and global South voices. It's interdisciplinary, pulling ideas from sociology, psychology, economics, and even the arts of understand complex political problems. And most importantly, it's dynamic and practical. It doesn't just theories, it aims to engage with the world and offer frameworks for change. In this, while we deeply respect classical political thinkers like Plato, Aristotle, Locke, and Rousseau, it's important to recognize that their ideas were shaped by the context of their time, ancient Athens, medieval Europe, or Enlightenment era England. Their contributions were, without question, exceptional. They gave us the foundational vocabulary of political thought: justice, liberty, authority, rights, the state. However, their concepts emerged from eras with very different social, political, and cultural realities. Most classical theory, for instance, did not account for the experiences of women, colonized peoples, or non-European societies. Contemporary political theory builds upon these classical foundations, but it adapts, critiques, and expands them for the 21st century. In this, why does it matter to you? In this slide, we will discuss as we conclude this introductory lecture. It is essential to consider why is political theory significant, what motivates us to study it in the first place. Political theory serves a purpose beyond merely filling your notebooks or preparing you for examination. It fosters the development of a reflective, critical, and informed citizen. One who not only consumes information but also questions, interprets, and acts upon it. It prompts you to pose the right inquiries, particularly when confronted with the intricate political or social dilemmas. What constitutes justice? What embodies democracy? Who is included and who is excluded? Furthermore, it prepares you for meaningful engagement in discussions, decision making, policy formulation, or activism. Whether you are casting a vote, pertaining in a protest, writing, or teaching. Political theory equips you with the necessary tools to engage thoughtfully and effectively with your surroundings. Most crucially, it connects abstract concept to tangible, lived experiences when you encounter ideas such as freedom, equality, or power in theoretical discussions. You start to recognize how they manifest in your own life, in your community, workplace, and even within your family. Regardless of whether your goal is to enter the political arena, teach at a university, collaborate with non-governmental organizations, or simply be an informed citizen. This discipline enhances your capacity to think clearly, reason ethically, and communicate effectively. Political theory goes beyond examinations. It is relevant to your life itself. It influences not only your understanding of the world, but also your choices regarding how to act within it. Therefore, as we progress in this courage, I urge you to regard political theory not as a remote academic discipline, but as a dynamic, evolving framework of thinking, questioning, and contributing to the advancement of a better society. Thank you all for your time, attention, and curiosity. I hope this session has not only introduced you to the foundations of contemporary political theory, but also encouraged you to think more deeply about the world about you. As we move forward in this course, I invite you to keep you questioning, keep connecting ideas, and above all, stay engaged because political theory lives through discussions, reflection, and active participation. Whether you pursue research, policy, education, or public services, remember the ability to think critically about justice, power, identity, and democracy is one of the most important tools you can carry with you. Thank you once again, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you.